What's up, fellas? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see that how to share Instagram Reels on Android easily. So let's head over to our Instagram application first for that. As you can see, I'm currently on my Instagram app. So let's head over to the Reels section. So currently I'm in here. So as you can see, if you like any sort of reel, like let's say um the first one. So suppose I like this reel, I want to share this reel with someone. So how will I do it? Here is a paper plane icon on the lower right corner. Just tap on it. And here you will find several people in your account you can send your reel to. So now then select the people and tap on send. And the reel is sent. If you head over to your DM section, you can see the reel you have just sent. So yeah, this is how easily you can share your Instagram Reels on your Android. Hope this helps and we'll see you in the next video.